from using a dog as a shield to prevent you from arresting.
I'm not going to jail. I'm not going to jail. No, leave me alone.
To challenging the cops, then end up in handcuffs.
Hands on the ground. Get down.
I'm not doing
Get down.
I'm not doing anything.
Great. Sounds.
Even to drunk girls who are out of control.
I'm not. No. Am I ever for theft?
Are you able to clear that car?
You're the right to remain silent. Anything you say.
These are the times when cops kick the ass of Insan Karens entitled "Act Like Laws Don't Exist."
That is not my purse.
Put your hands on your back.
That is not my purse.
On May 16th, 2024, police received a report of a lady trespassing on hotel property. Here's what happened next.
Hello. What are you doing?
I was watching my mom's dog for a minute. She's hurt. My mom's with the Dollar Tree. And I was waiting for her to get back. That's the only thing that's mine. That's all my mom's.
You said none of the stuff is yours?
This is the only thing that's mine.
77. Whose stuff is this?
My mom's.
Oh. Hey, do you have an ID on you by chance? You don't have anything illegal, do you? Any drugs, bombs, grenades, bazookas? Do you care if I look in your bags? Just make sure.
There's dirty laundry. I feel like my rights should be violated, though. That's not a thing.
I just asked you. I'm just looking for drugs and guns.
No, I don't have nothing like that. I promise you, sir.
Of course I don't have.
I don't walk around. I don't do illegal activities like that.
Yeah, I ask everybody I talk to if I can kind of look in their stuff. I'm a drug cop. That's all I care about.
Drugs.
$1 $3 up from me.
But see, somebody stole my mom's dog.
Was somebody trying to raise me just now? Maya, just right. Yeah, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna grab gloves. No, 50.
The officer put on gloves and started checking the woman's belongings and guessed what he had found.
So there's nothing illegal in here?
There's nothing illegal in here.
No. Besides this. Do you know what that is?
How the hell that would have been in my purse?
I'm sorry?
I don't know how that would have been in my purse.
I don't know.
Yeah, just I don't know that last night.
Well, it was in this pocket right here. That's why I went and grabbed gloves. I didn't want to touch it.
So why am I going to get in trouble for that?
Probably, to be honest. If that's meth, which it looks like it's
That's
meth.
what it looks like.
Yeah, like in these bags?
And it's just my dirty clothes.
Is that a yes?
If you want to. I just don't know how that was in my bag, but I dumped my whole entire bag out last night. And I was walking and I put everything back in my bag.
I have no idea, ma'am. Are you able to call your mom and
No, but I'm just pissed off right now.
why?
Because I cleaned my purse out last night. That was not in my bag. That's not mine.
You said it's not yours?
It's not mine.
What is in your purse?
No, I don't care. It's not mine. I dumped my whole entire bag out and put everything back in my bag.
Have you ever smoked meth or used meth before?
Yes, I have.
When's the last time?
I don't even know.
Like years or months?
A few days maybe.
A few days?
I always clean my bags out because I don't walk around with drugs on me. Even if I do them, I don't walk around with drugs on me.
Not trying to be funny, but it looks like you forgot this. Is there any way to get a hold of your mom?
No, why?
Because you're probably going to have to go with me, to be honest. And I
I'm
don't.
not going to jail. That's not even mine. I don't care what. That's not mine. I can say it's not mine. It's not mine. So I'm not going to jail. Period. I didn't do nothing wrong. I was sort of minding my business. You don't have no right to come into my bag. I'm not a criminal.
How many times I asked you if I could look in your bag?
I didn't really want you to, and you knew that.
But I asked you several times. You said yes every time.
I told you I would dump it out for you.
Right, and then I said, no, it's okay. And I said,
I'm not.
After discovering illegal substances in the woman's purse, the officer immediately arrested her. However, she resisted fiercely.
Going to jail.
okay. Can you stand up so I can put handcuffs on you?
No.
Because you're being detained at this moment.
Why?
Because
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
Because
no.
you have
Can
suspected-
you wait till my mom gets back or
well, no,
dogs?
because I don't like how you're yelling at me and stuff.
I'm not yelling. I
and
can't
you're
even.
telling me you're not going to jail, so I'm
Okay,
going
well,
to.
can Can you please do something? Write me a citation or something,
No.
please. My mom's dog is hurt. I don't want her to
I understand. That's why I want your mom to come back so that she can take the dog.
Listen, that's not my purse.
Okay, we're past that now. You told me 100 times it's yours.
Not my purse.
Okay.
It's not my purse.
Put your hands on your back.
No.
Put your hands on your back.
Please, no.
Please, don't
Hold on,
resist.
her dog is hurt.
Do not resist.
Her dog
Do
is
not
hurt.
resist.
Her dog is
Do
hurt.
not resist. You're
She's
gonna
bite you.
You're gonna catch another charge.
Please stop.
You're gonna catch another charge.
Please
I
stop.
promise you.
I promise you. Please
I
stop.
promise you.
So my mom's. Can you? You're harassing me. You're harassing me. You are harassing me. I'm not going to jail. I'm not going to jail.
Unit.
No. Leave me alone. That's not my purse.
I'm gonna spray you with OC spray.
Please, the dog is hurt.
I'm gonna spray you with OC spray. Put your hands on your back.
That's not my purse.
Stop.
That's
Stop.
Not, okay, that's not my purse. That is not my purse.
Put your hands on your back.
That is not my purse. Damn it, I was standing up. It made me fall. I was trying to stand up. That's not my purse. You're arresting me for nothing. Jesus Christ.
54.
I haven't done nothing wrong. You're harassing me. That's not my bag. That's not my...
Yes, sir. 77.
That's not my stuff. That's not my purse.
Damn it.
I don't know what pocket you planted that in there. Because I don't walk around with drugs on me. Can you please stop? Can you please take this off of me? Please take these off of me. Please let me use the phone.
After a brief struggle, the officer successfully restrained the woman and escorted her to the car.
139 available. Can I have a 1093 officer for a search? Stand up.
I was trying to remember going to That's not
Walk to my
mine.
car.
That's not mine. Oh my God.
Stop.
I'm sorry, I stepped in poop. This is bull.
Do you have anything in your pockets?
No, sir, I don't.
Okay. So, there's nothing in my police car, right? I'm checking now. I check every time.
I don't care. I know.
Okay, listen to me. When a female officer gets here and searches you, if there's anything in this car,
Okay, I don't have
you're getting
nothing
charged
on
with
me.
it, okay?
Can I tell you something, sir?
Okay,
Okay,
you have
that
a
dope
seat?
last night, I looked in my bag and I couldn't find it.
Okay,
I dumped my whole entire bag out and I
Can I
said,
have a
cool,
seat now, please?
I don't have nothing on me.
Have a seat.
And so I looked in it 5
Have a
times.
seat, please.
I looked in it
Have a
5,
seat,
6.
please.
I'm trying to. I can't get up there.
Actually, turn and face that way so I can double lock these.
This is hurt. It's too tight. And I mean, I double checked. I triple checked. So how the hell I overlooked that? Walked around all night with it. Is there any way I can get a citation?
No,
Please?
especially not since you don't want to listen. Absolutely not.
I was to this.
You just made me do all that and you want me to give you a court date? No.
I just wanted the dog not to bite you.
No, that's not why. Because I asked you before that. And you pulled away and immediately grabbed the dog. So no, twice. And I understand that. That's why I didn't want to grab you. But you made it go that way.
Usually she would try to bite you.
Okay, well she didn't, so...
That's probably because she got hurt.
The officer explained the situation clearly to the woman, but it seemed she still refused to admit her wrongdoing.
You want to talk to me?
I just don't know why I can't get a court.
I just need a yes or no. Do you still want to talk to me about this?
No, I don't want to go to jail.
Okay, so you don't want to talk to me?
I don't know.
Yes or no?
I don't know how that got in my bag. I looked.
So if you say no, I can't talk to you. If you say yes, I can talk to you about this. Do you understand your rights?
No, I don't understand my rights because
Would you like me to read
I feel
them again?
Like my rights were violated.
Would you like me to read them
my
again?
rights were I was being a civilian, not doing nothing, not hurting nobody. I was just sitting there waiting for my mom to
No.
get from
Okay.
Dollar Tree.
Stop talking, please. I'm gonna explain to you. This hotel right here behind us owns this lot.
Okay.
They called me to have you leave the property.
Oh, then why didn't you just ask me to leave?
I was still talking. When I got here, like I do with everybody I talk to, I say, "What's your name? Can I have ID so I can check for warrants?" And I always ask everybody if I can search their stuff. Sometimes they say yes, sometimes they say no.
And I
You
said
said yes multiple times. It's
I said,
on camera.
I really don't care if you feel like you want to, but I feel like my rights would be being.
And I said yes or no, and you said yes again.
I never said the word yes.
Where's your mom? How do I get in contact with your
I'm
mom?
not to the Dollar Tree.
I know.
I don't know where she is.
Because animal control is going to come take this dog.
No, please don't go take her. Don't come get my mom will be right back.
How long ago did she leave?
Like 5, 10 minutes. My son just came from Iowa. I haven't seen my son in 4 years. First day I've seen him.
Well, I'm not worried about your son. I'm worried about your dog.
I would go to a court date.
I cannot give you a court date. It's a felony.
That much meth is a felony?
Any meth is a felony, yes. So how do I get in touch with your mom for your dog?
Can I get
No.
a number to call besides my mom?
Where is this person at that you're going to give me a number to?
They're just on West Crescent Street.
We're on Crescent.
The woman was charged with resisting arrest, possession of a controlled substance, and possession of drug paraphernalia. As a result, she was sentenced to 30 days in jail. Everyone has their opinion, and the viewers who commented below this video are no exception. She clearly has the drug voice, but it's not hers. The dog is hurt. She says as she grabs the dog to use a shield between her and the officer. Field nap? With all that crap she's camping? The lesson is that resisting law enforcement can worsen the situation. And without keeping everyone waiting too long, we will immediately move on to the second situation.
Down!
What am I being?
Get down on the ground now!
What am I being chased?
On March 2nd, 2025, St. Petersburg police were called to a domestic dispute where 23-year-old Angelique attacked her 69-year-old mother. Before officers arrived, Angelique stole her mother's phone and fled.
She has your phone?
She has my phone. She took my phone. She pushed me. She took my phone. She broke my window. And my neighbors called too because she's right here screaming and she want a effing phone. And you know, I let her keep some clothes. I let her keep her clothes out the back inside because she's homeless. And so, but the thing is, because she can't stay with me. She can't stay in the house or anything.
When's the last time she stayed here?
It's been 2 years.
Okay,
maybe.
so she doesn't live here?
No, she don't
Okay.
live here. No, she can't stay here because of the court order.
What's your first name?
CASSIA.
CASSIA.
Did you give them the clothing description on the...
Yeah, it said black tank top, multicolored
It's
shorts.
a multiple color shorts.
And
like,
then she had a red something in her hair.
she got red hair.
Is she still skinny?
She's
Really
still
skinny?
skinny,
Yeah,
skinny
okay.
with a bunch of tattoos.
And her name was
Angelique.
Angelique, so A-N-G-E.
LIQUE.
Okay, so she got dropped off here last
Yes.
night. About what time?
It was about like 4 o'clock.
In the morning?
Yes.
Okay.
And so, you know, she was sitting out here and I felt that. I said, so let me bring her in because I wanted to make sure she wasn't drugged out or something. I was going to call 911. So I sat there with her for about an hour and then I woke her up. I woke her up and I told her.
attach a third of this if there's one in there just to help circulate?
I woke her up and I said, Angelique, she wouldn't wake up, but she was breathing and everything. So I sat with her for a few minutes and I told her, I said, Angelique, you got to go.
Uh-huh.
And that's when she said, where's my phone? Where's my stuff? Who dropped me off and all like this? And I'm like, I don't know who dropped you off. Well, you should know who dropped me off. Where's my purse? Where's my phone? I need my phone. I ain't got nothing. And I said, I don't have a phone. That's what she.
The officer then helped the mother call her daughter, hoping to calm things down and ask her to return the phone. However, the daughter's response was far from pleasant.
Angelique.
I'm not bringing you shit. Bitch, you want to call the police? I'm not bringing you shit. I'm not bringing you shit.
Bring me my phone.
I'm not bringing you shit, bitch. If I have to go to jail, I'm not bringing you shit. You should have thought about that before you called the police. Now you're not getting shit. Now how do you feel? Because you're not getting shit. How the fuck do you feel, bitch? Then the call the police for shit. I'm not
Angelique,
bringing you shit.
this is the police. You might want to turn yourself in. You're going to get bit by a canine.
Excuse me?
I said, this is the police. You might want to come here on your own terms or we're going to find you. You're probably going to get bit by the dog if you try to run. So you might as well come back to the house now.
And what?
You might as well come to the house now and turn yourself in.
Or what?
Or we're going to find you on our own terms.
Oh, okay. Well, do your job.
Oh, we will.
You get paid to look for people.
We will.
Do
And
that. They'll fucking call.
yep, we'll find you.
Bye. Bitch.
After locating for a while, the officers finally spotted the woman and quickly moved in to arrest her.
09 Pine Grove Terrace. It's just north of 18. Where'd she go?
I was on the phone.
Where'd she go?
I was on the
Where'd she go? You're gonna get brought in for obstruction. Where'd she go? Where's she at?
I don't know.
Oh,
I promise.
Where's she
I
at?
promise.
Where's she at?
I don't know.
Which way she go?
I promise.
You're gonna go for obstruction. Where'd she go? Point. point. Hey, somebody, give me a couple more units this way, please. You stay right there. Hey, get north. Quick break. She's up at 17. She's got a red wig. She's at 17. I'll give you a second here. She goes east or west. She's going to go west. So go up to like either 16th Avenue. I'm sorry, 17th Avenue. She's going west from like 51. All right, I got her. She's running south. South from 18, west to 52. South of 18, west to 52. Wait, let's see if we can work on the Eagle. I know they were up.
Please stop! Please stop! I got her in the alley. Please stop! I'm in the alley. Get down! Get down!
What am I being?
Get down on the ground now!
What am I being chased for?
7-3. Get down!
I am.
Lay down on the ground. Put everything down. Do it now!
Oh, what am I?
Put it down!
What am I being?
Put it down!
Get on the goddamn ground right now. Put your hands on the ground. Get down.
I'm not doing.
Get down.
I'm not doing anything.
Great. Sounds good. Continue to not do anything.
I'm not doing
Don't.
anything. I'm not
We're good,
resisting
we're good.
or anything.
Tell her we're 15.
I haven't did anything.
Tell them we're 15.
I haven't did anything. I'm not resisting.
Okay, good.
I'm not resisting. I haven't did anything. I'm
Okay,
not
good.
resisting.
Sounds good. Now you're in handcuffs, so we can slow down, okay? Right here, Susan.
I'm not resisting.
Okay, sweetie. We're good. We're good. But listen, when you go running, that is resisting.
Because
The woman was then taken to the police car for a search.
Okay, let's go. I got no empathy for her. No, not at all. No empathy. Nope. Told you. You said do our job. Come on.
I'm
Get your
not
feet up.
resisting.
Get your knees in your chest.
Can I be taking my phone, please? What do you mean? No, that's my property too.
Nope. Pretty easy for a search charge. You told me to do my job. I did it. You happy? You want to call and threaten your mom? You're tough over the phone.
Mom,
That was me. That was me.
Calling out. I'm like, well, I'm 4 blocks away.
There you go, Angelique. So as soon as we were about to leave, that white car passed us. She was crouching down the passenger seat. That's why I took off after that car. Okay. They tried to lose me back here. She went into
She
a...
didn't lose you. She just wanted to
Stop
drop
talking.
me
I'm not
off.
talking to you. She went to a dead-end intersection. Whew. Always a good find.
Can I have numbers out of my phone?
No, you'll do that at county if they let you.
All right, girl, you got anything on you? Guns, knives, weapons, drugs, anything that's gonna poke me, stick me, stab me? No. You take anything up to the county, you know it's extra charges, right?
I had nothing but my purse.
Like your purse?
A short while later, the officer returned to the car to speak with the woman and formally charge her.
All right, step out this way. All right, over there. We're going to the other car.
Where's my phone and stuff?
Over there. I got your property. That'll be in your property at the gym.
No, I need my phone to get numbers out of my stuff.
That'll be up to them when you get up there.
Nobody said they have my stuff though.
I have your stuff. I've said it 3 times now.
Nobody told me what I'm being charged with.
I'll tell you just in a second. Whatever. All right, I'm gonna read you this real quick. You have the right to remain silent. If you say you can, it will be used against you. All right, having those rights in mind, you wish to speak to me. Having those rights in mind, you wish to speak. Okay. Do you know why you're in handcuffs?
I ran.
Huh?
I ran.
You ran? Oh, you mean you ran from us over here?
I mean,
Okay. Yeah, that's part of the reason why you're in handcuffs. Do you know why why we were looking for you? Why?
I took my mom's phone.
Took your mom's phone? What about the window and all that stuff at the house?
I did. I mean, the window I understand, but they said something about battery. I didn't put my hands on it.
Yeah, she said you shoved her down inside the house.
I didn't shove my mom down.
So-
As for her window, okay, I understand that. I didn't touch my mom though.
Okay. Was she on the phone with 911 when you took the phone out of her hand?
I don't.
Because you had her phone.
I had her phone, but I also had my own phone.
Okay, great. So why would you take her phone?
I ended up going out yesterday was my birthday, so I ended up going out. I got dropped off home and didn't have my phone. So when I woke up, I'm like, okay, part of one, who the f dropped me off, one, and then two, like, where's all my belongings? And she's like, well, I don't know who dropped you off. I don't know. So I'm just like, bro, okay, well, I'm gonna use your phone to figure out where all my stuff is at. Like, I got dropped off after my birthday last night, and from there, it was blank.
How old are you?
23.
23 years old. Do you know what that makes you?
An adult.
A grown adult. Why do you think that that's your 69-year-old mother's problem?
It's not even that.
I'm asking you, as an adult, I'm asking you, why is that your 69-year-old mother's problem? Who's taking care of your child at her house while you're out doing whatever? It's your birthday. Sure, you have a chance to go out. You're going to come home and act like that? There's food thrown everywhere, stuff knocked over, windows broken into on the side of the house, and then I have
on the side of the house.
I have zero sympathy.
It's not even about sympathy.
I was there I'm the one on the phone that you were running your mouth to. Do you understand that? All that's recorded, all of it. So you're getting charged with domestic battery. Okay, it's a felony because you have a prior conviction, and she's over 65. So either way, it's a felony. Okay, you're getting charged with tampering with a witness because she was trying to call 911 when you took her phone. And you're charged with TDM, which is throwing a deadly missile for the rocks into the window. Okay? And you're going to get the obstruction charge for running from us.
Angelique faced serious legal consequences for her actions. She was charged with multiple offenses, including throwing a deadly object into a building, witness tampering felony battery, and resisting arrest. These charges could lead to several years in prison, depending on the severity of each count and state sentencing guidelines. With such a crazy situation, the comments that followed after the video was released are also noteworthy. Love that the cop who said he'll find her got her. If you're trying to evade the police, wearing a bright red wig is probably not the way to go. She's flexing her new outfit, the very latest from the Ray Charles Collection clothing line. Losing control in a family conflict can lead to serious legal trouble. Angelique's actions turned a personal dispute into multiple felony charges. What a stubborn Karen, right? Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively.
I'm not, no, and no. Am I ever for theft? No, and no, and no, and no, and no.
On June 7th, 2023, the officer was notified about a phone theft and quickly arrived at the scene to investigate.
What's up, man?
Sorry, this young lady right here just committed a hit and run.
Who did she hit?
She hit a guy on Australian Boulevard. It was a van, white van. She also has my phone. I gave her my phone to give her my number. She tried to ride off. I followed behind her in pursuit, and while I was behind her, she ran into another truck.
Okay, did you get your phone back?
It's in her car. She had it. So I stole the merchandise. I do want fresh charges.
All right, let's one step at a time. This is a lot. So one step at a time. You have that man's phone?
I'm sorry?
Do you have that man's phone?
Stop it! No, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
We're out of this one. I'm 10-12 with both parties. Do you have that man's phone?
Man's phone.
Do you have his phone?
No.
He didn't give you his phone for something and you took off with it?
No.
All right, do you have an ID on you?
Yeah.
Are you driving this vehicle?
Yes, it's my car.
Okay, let me get your information. All right, what's your name?
Monique.
M-O-N-I-Q-U-E?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so how did you get the damage on the front end of your vehicle?
I accidentally hit my car.
Okay, what do you hit?
Him.
What's up? Who'd you hit?
Him.
The city truck?
Him.
Who's him? I don't know who
the
him is.
The dude right there. You do know who's him is. Him. Him.
All right, where's the vehicle you hit?
Him.
Okay, he's not a vehicle. Where's the vehicle you hit?
It was him.
Okay, sit tight.
Police request to search the car and she consents. The phone is found ringing inside her car, verifying the man's claim.
Do me a favor, turn your car off.
I'm sorry?
Turn your vehicle off.
Tina, yeah.
Let me see the keys.
Tina.
You have the keys? Do you have the keys to the vehicle?
I need you to, like, send somebody up here.
You're gonna need a ride.
Let me see the keys to the vehicle.
Oh my God, Tina, they really finna arrest me.
Did I say I was arresting you?
No, Tina, I'm in West Palm Beach.
Let me see the keys. Give me the keys. Thank you. Hold on. Calm down. Do you mind if I check the vehicle? Do you mind if I check the vehicle? Ma'am. Ma'am.
No, those are my parents. Those are my parents right there. Like,
I understand, but this is your vehicle.
Go. This is my vehicle.
Okay, so can I check the vehicle to make sure the cell phone's not in there? I have permission to go inside your car.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
It's in here, bro.
Where I hear it ringing. Hey, keep it going. I gotta find it. Yeah, I have it on
The officer then immediately arrested the woman and placed her in the police car.
video.
So this is your phone.
No.
This is your phone.
Bro, put your hands behind your back.
Oh God. Oh God.
Stand up.
Oh my God, Daddy, I swear to God, I didn't have his phone. He did that. Mommy, he did that. I swear to God.
So how did his phone end up in your car?
Just go. I mean, Mommy, just go. Just go, Mommy.
How did his phone end up in your car?
Mommy, just go. Mommy, just go. Mommy, like, don't you?
This is the Apple Watch that you gave me.
Correct.
To ping.
Correct.
This is your cell phone that is pinging.
Yes, sir.
All right, can you unlock this phone so show proof that is your cell phone?
It's my face.
Your face is open. This is your cell phone.
Yes, sir. Sit down.
I would have did that.
Sit, actually, you know what? Come to my car. We'll go in my car.
You think I would have did that if I had it? Mommy, go home. Go home. Go home. No, take my keys. Take the keys to my car.
Keys are going with the tow.
Yeah, he said you want to.
I swear to God, Mommy, I did not. I'm telling you, Mom. Oh God, you don't have to just smack me like that. I'm sorry.
If I tell you to walk somewhere, you walk
I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna do what you're telling me to do, Mommy. I didn't, but I didn't. I swear to God, I didn't.
And I asked you for a driver's license.
No, I swear to God.
And I asked you face my car.
Mommy, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I swear, Mommy, I didn't. I didn't.
Didn't.
I'm getting in. I'm getting in.
After leading the disruptive woman to their squad car, the police returned to the man to herd the entire incident.
Start.
Okay, so seen a young lady at the light.
Which light?
45th in Australia.
Okay.
Rolled the window down. You know, we just chit chatting. Asked if I get the number. You know, we just talking. I said, hey, put your number in my phone. Did like this. Gave her my phone. She literally pulled off with it. So I went right behind her, followed behind her. She pulled off a little bit on the right. We were going south in Australia. She pulled a little bit off on the right near the park. So I jumped out the truck. I said, hey, I need my phone. She's like, I'm not giving you your phone. She pulls off, darts past the light. There was a white van in the right lane right in front of her. She tried to kind of merge over to the left lane, but she cut it too close and she sideswiped the white van. At that point, the white van pulled over to the right. She kept going. As she got closer towards Gaines Park, she turned into Gaines Park and, of course, parked right here. At this point, I didn't have my phone on me, so I couldn't call the police officers. I waved down a couple people and I said, hey, if I could just get your phone. I waved down a couple people, hey, can you call 911? Call 911. Someone eventually called 911, and of course, you guys showed up on the scene. In the meantime, she walked inside of, I don't know what center this is, but she walked inside the center, and she made contact with the young gentleman in the blue on the basketball court.
Okay. So you did lose sight of her?
I never lost sight of her.
But when she walked inside?
When she walked inside of here, that's when I lost sight of her.
You lost sight of her?
Right.
Okay. All right. What kind of phone did you have?
iPhone 14 Max. Pro Max.
What color?
Black.
Okay. And what intersection did you hand your phone over to her to put her number in?
45th in Australia.
Okay. And then
You followed her here. At what point did you at any point tell her to give you your phone back or anything like that?
Once we pulled over, I said, "Hey, give me my phone. What are you doing?"
Here or somewhere else?
No, it was when we were on Australian heading south, right before that first light, and there's a park right there, right before the first light. We pulled over. There's like kind of like a little side park you pull over.
It's like 15th or Kirksey.
I don't know the street exactly.
Okay.
But I know it's right in front of that first light, and there's like a park there, and there's like a little park you can kind of like pull over on. She pulled over on that, and I pulled over right behind her. I said, "Hey, I need my phone." She's like, "I'm not giving you your phone." Darts off. And when she darted off, white van was right in front of her. She tried to kind of switch lanes, but she didn't gauge it right and wound up in the white.
The woman is arrested for grand theft. She denies stealing the phone, claims she didn't know it was in her car, and argues she had no intent.
I would love to know though, how did you keep me in here before you read me these rights? So
let me finish this first.
I would love to know how was I locked in this car.
Let me finish first, and then we can talk about that. If at any time during
oh my God, yes, I know my
Are you going to let me finish? If at any time during the interview you do not wish to answer any questions, you are privileged to remain silent. Do you understand? Okay, with your rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me? With your rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me, ma'am?
What do you have for me? What?
You're under arrest for theft. For grand theft at that, for a $1,400 phone.
What?
The phone that you gave.
Are you serious? No, I am not. No, and no. Am I ever for theft? No, and no, and no, and no, and no. No, and no.
You gave me permission on camera to look in your vehicle for that phone, correct?
Yes.
Okay, I found the phone in your vehicle. The man identified that phone as his phone.
I did not know. Hello, wherever your camera at, I'm looking in your camera and I'm telling you, I did not know that that phone was in my car. So no, I'm not gonna steal no phone. Why would I steal a phone? Hello, no.
Are you gonna talk to me? Or are you
yes, I'm gonna talk to you.
Then lower your voice.
Yes, I'm gonna talk to you, and I'm telling you though, like no. Intent means everything, and I did not. I don't know how that. He was in my car. He sat in my car. He sat in my car.
He sat in your car.
He sat in my car. Like, why would I steal a phone? I don't give a fuck about a phone.
So how'd the phone end up in your car?
Oh my God, I swear to God, I don't know. If that phone was in my phone, in my car, it's because he left that in my car. He sat in my car.
So at any time did he pull up next to you and ask for his phone back?
Dude, no.
So he never pulled up to you driving down here and asked for his phone back?
If he did, he could have got his phone. And I swear to you, I swear to you, I don't care about his phone. He could have got his phone. If at any time he pulled up to next to me and said, "Hey, I want my phone back," he could have gotten his phone back.
This Karen was charged with grand theft and received a non-custodial sentence. As part of her penalty, she was ordered to complete 15 hours of community service and attend a 4-hour theft prevention program. This is indeed a chaotic situation, isn't it? Let's examine what viewers have commented on after the video was circulated. Absent of all character. She's so dishonest and lies effortlessly. You dodged the bullet, young man. Count your blessings today. I quit calling my mom when I was like 7 years old. Even small, impulsive actions can lead to serious consequences. Always think before you act, and respect others' property to avoid misunderstandings and legal trouble. This Karen is already a mess, so what about the next one? Let's keep watching.
Are you able to clear that call in 2 hours?
On November 6th, 2024, an off-duty officer from the Lacey Police Department discovered a 24-year-old woman unconscious in the driver's seat of her car.
What's going on? How you doing, man?
We're just gonna hold it for Doyle.
Huh?
We're gonna hold it for Doyle.
That's cool. What's going on? How you doing? Good. Yeah. Is your own vehicle? Mm-hmm. Whose it is?
Mine and hers. This is the original RP.
Oh, you called?
Huh?
You called?
Yeah, I called.
Okay.
Yeah, I called because I go to my house, I see car stopping, nothing. She's...
Cool, okay.
Yeah.
We'll take care of it.
Okay.
Here, you want to go back to your vehicle over here? I'll walk you back so you don't get across safe, okay? I'll talk to you real quick.
How are you?
Doing well. I'm Officer Doyle, Lacey PD. Hey, what's going on?
Waiting for her.
Waiting for who?
Her.
Are you waiting for her?
Yeah.
Oh, she's off duty, so I'll be taking over. So, what's going on?
initially was put on. She starts pulling.
How'd you end up here in the middle of the road?
Waiting for her.
You waiting for who?
Her.
Well, you can talk to me, because she's not working, so.
Yeah, she's going to her house.
Going to whose house?
Her house.
Who?
Nina.
Nina?
Mhm.
Who's Nina?
Her.
Her? Okay, you got your driver's license on you? Where you come from tonight?
Her house.
Whose house?
Hers.
Who's her?
Nina.
Nina?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that lady right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have your registration and proof of insurance?
Yeah.
I'll take them. You're not in uniform, so get off the side of the road.
Stephanie, is everything on here correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
After she admitted to drinking half a bottle of red wine, officers asked her to complete standard field sobriety tests.
You can put that away. Take your seatbelt off. Step out for me, please.
Yeah.
Go ahead and step in front of the car. That's fine. That's fine right there. So what are you doing tonight? I'm just trying to figure out how you ended up right here. It's kind of a weird place to park.
I was with my friend.
You with your friend?
Yeah.
Who's that?
My friend
Who?
Haley.
Haley? Oh, okay. I thought you said it was Nina.
It was Nina, but we were with Haley before.
Okay. What were you guys doing?
We're hanging out for like a military party.
A military party?
Yeah.
Do you know where at?
GBLM.
JBLM?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's way down that way.
Yeah.
Okay. You been drinking it all tonight?
Yeah.
You have been?
Some.
Some? Okay, about how much?
Half a bottle of wine.
How much?
Half a bottle of wine.
Half a bottle of wine?
Yeah.
What kind of wine?
Red.
Red wine?
Yeah.
Okay, about how long ago?
2 hours ago.
About 2 hours ago?
Yeah.
Okay. You know what time it is right now?
Yeah.
What time is it?
11:30.
It's 11:30 right now?
Yeah.
Okay. It's actually 1:45 in the morning right now.
Oh.
So, just so you're aware.
Yeah.
So, okay. All right. I noticed that there was a bottle of alcohol.
Yeah.
Is that yours?
It's hers, but I dropped her off.
You dropped her off?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, Nina. Well, I'm sorry, Stephanie. Well, with what you've been telling me and the way your vehicle is parked right now, and with the alcohol I see in the car, all right, I'm gonna ask you if you would be willing to take some field sobriety tests, some voluntary field sobriety tests.
The woman refused both the field sobriety test and a portable breath test, leading to her arrest.
So what have you been up to tonight?
Yeah, my friend.
Okay, what are you guys doing there?
We've been drinking.
Okay.
Hanging out.
How much have you had to drink?
2 beers.
I think there's a couple more on the floorboards there. Open bottle of wine, maybe.
So
probably a little bit more.
Yeah, I had her with me, but like.
Okay, so how'd you end up stopped in the middle of the road? You know what intersection we're at right now?
Yeah.
What do we got? No, don't look.
Lakewood.
Lakewood.
Yeah.
No. That's not a street name in the city of Lacey. How'd you end up stopped in the middle of the road? I mean, like, do you know, or?
I do. I just.
So what happened? I mean, it's dangerous, right? Something could happen.
All right, Stephanie, can you turn around for me? Turn around. This time you've been placed under arrest for DUI, okay?
Please don't. Please don't. Please don't.
It's Stephanie, is it?
Do you give one of my partners permission to pull your car off the side of the roadway somewhere in a safe space so we don't have to tow it? Otherwise, we're gonna have to tow this thing. No?
I don't want to.
Oh, okay, cool. Can you work out a tow form?
Tow form?
Yep. Is there anything you want out of the car? Cell phone, purse, keys?
Yeah, cell phone, everything.
Well, I can't grab everything, but I can at least grab like a cell phone.
Cell phone, purse.
Cell phone and purse?
Yeah.
So you give me permission to go on there just to grab that stuff real quick? Yeah. Okay.
The officers conducted a search of the woman before escorting her to the car.
All right, Stephanie, before you go in the car, okay, I'm about to search you, all right?
Yeah.
So, widen your stance a little bit. Okay, any sensitive areas, I'm going to use the back of my hand, okay?
Yeah.
All right, do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Anything on you that's going to poke me or hurt me?
No.
No?
Hey, bye.
Okay.
No.
You grab me her purse and her cell phone.
Look that way for me.
Is it just in the passenger seat? Stephanie, your purse and cell phone just in the passenger seat? Yeah.
Good, look that way for me.
Are you able to clear that call in 2 hours?
Confirm, radio will be cleared here, and
She took an evidential breath test, which showed a result of 0.236%, nearly triple the legal limit.
Go to your right. See a seat to your right? Okay, that's where we're going to sit. Okay, I'm going to take you out of the cuffs, okay?
You still have to technically be handcuffed. And there's a little hook right here that you can't cuff to, but I give you free hand to be able to write anything down, okay?
That loose. Thanks. Turn around for me. Sit down. Are you ready? Alright. I'll hold it. You blow. I'll hold it.
You're like, oh, that's
Blow, blow, let go. Let go. Blow, 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 blow. Keep going, 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 keep going. Keep going, stop. Okay, this is good. It's gonna be the last one, okay? Big deep breath in. Ready? Deep breath in. Okay. Blow, 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 blow. Keep going, 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 keep going. Stop.
I think that's just enough. Pull in. Perfect.
The woman received a citation for being in physical control of a vehicle while under the influence. This charge could result in fines or other penalties depending on local laws. After the video was posted on the internet, people shared their thoughts in some comments. Clearly drunk. Clearly drove. A car doesn't just appear in an intersection. These drunk drivers never get any repercussions. Our judges have turned into a disgrace? That off-duty female cop is fantastic. Thank God she was there. Kudos to the young lady who took the right action to grab the keys. The lesson from this incident is about the consequences of driving under the influence and the importance of cooperation with law enforcement. Let's move on to the next case.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
Millburn police officers responded to a single vehicle collision on March 25th, 2025. Here's what happened next.
Only one lady.
You alright?
Are you hurt?
no.
No?
Are you able to get out?
Yes.
All right, let's get out. Bravo 9, can you send me another unit for traffic? Can you get out this way? If not, I can call the fire department. They can cut the door open. Sir, can you cross the street? There's wires down.
Do you want me to get out this way?
Just stay right there. You're bleeding from the head. Bravo 9. We got one female still in the vehicle. You dispatch the FD for extrication. And also going to need BLS. You can't get you out of that side because there's a tree in the way. So they're going to come, they're going to cut your door, and then they'll check you out.
Cut my door?
Yeah, to get you out. Or they're going to do something to get you out, I don't know. But you're bleeding from the head.
After the woman was taken out of the car and given medical attention by EMS, cops opened an investigation into suspected drunk driving.
Alright, ma'am, I'm Officer Kerwin, I'm in Milburn Police. Just so you know, this is being recorded on body-worn camera, okay? Where were you coming from tonight?
So we were at a friend's house.
Who's we?
It was me and a couple of other people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Was anybody else in the vehicle with you?
No.
Okay, so you're by yourself? You said you were at a friend's house?
Yes.
Where?
So we went to Summit, and we were at the Fiorno's, I believe. It's
Where?
called Fiorno's.
Is that like a restaurant?
It's a restaurant.
Okay. All right. So just so you know, I can smell a good amount of alcohol coming from your breath right now. Okay. You're also slurring your speech. So do you want to be honest? How many drinks did you have tonight?
I'm gonna be honest.
Okay.
I had like 3.
3?
Drinks.
Of what?
I had and also, just to be transparent, like I went back and then I came back so
What do you mean you went back?
So we had drinks earlier in the day, and
What time?
maybe 1 o'clock.
The woman was then given several field sobriety tests to make sure she can drive home.
Just step right over here. Okay, we're going to do some field sobriety testing just to see how impaired you are, okay? Do you think you're capable of doing these tests?
Of course.
Okay. Do you have any, you can turn, face me.
Yeah.
Do you have any problems with your eyes or anything like that?
No, can I take my heels off?
Yeah, we're not going to do that part yet, okay? The first thing I'm going to test you on is called the horizontal gaze nystagmus test, okay? Do you wear contacts?
No.
Okay, do you have any medical conditions that would prohibit you from being able to do these tests?
No.
Okay. All right. All right, again, don't move your head. Eyes only. Eyes only. Head forward.
When you're back here with your hands at your side, you're going to resume and do 9 more steps, okay? Do you understand what I explained to you?
Yes.
All right. Using that left line that I showed you, you may begin. Pay attention to the line. All right. All right, you may begin. Count out loud. Hands at your side. Ma'am, hands at your side. All right, count out loud while doing it.
2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009.
Careful.
1000.
All right, you can stop.
Stop.
All right, well.
Put your shoes back on now.
Based on the test results, the woman was arrested for driving while impaired.
All right, then turn around. We have one more test. Okay, put your arms behind your back.
You put your shoes back on? Okay, put them back on.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to an attorney. You can't afford one of you point to. You understand?
Let me see your hand, man. Just put your hands behind your back. You're being placed under arrest, okay?
For driving while intoxicated.
All right. Let me double lock him. All right.
Do you have any weapons on you?
You got nothing on you, right? All right.
Here's her purse.
Yep. What car do you want to place her in?
Box there. Yeah. Search it.
Yep.
Yeah, I got it. Yeah, just go there. Yeah, just stay with me. He's gonna search your purse. Just want you present. All right.
Do you have anything in here?
No.
That I should be aware of?
No.
A short while later, the woman was taken to the station for processing.
Just for safety, okay?
Stop.
Ma'am, just relax. I know, ma'am. Just relax. We're gonna go to this vehicle.
Can I just get my phone?
It's in the car. They have to go in there and get it, okay? Come on.
Can you stop? Like,
Ma'am, I'm just trying to get. I'm not manhandling you, man. Come on.
All right. I just want to make sure that you have my phone so I can call people.
Yeah, we're not going to leave without your phone.
So can you like?
Yeah, come on, ma'am. Come on, ma'am. We're gonna run this vehicle here, okay?
All right. Can you tell me if you have my phone?
No,
I just want my phone.
got it. Is that your book or Kerwin?
Wait, hold on.
What?
Wait, can I give you my information? No, where's my? It's in there.
What do you need?
Is she asking for her cell phone?
No, I don't know. Are you looking for your phone?
Yes.
Her phone should be in her... Kerwin said that he saw her phone in her back pocket.
Is your phone in your back pocket?
No, it's not. Oh, wait, no, my wallet. Where'd you get that from?
The woman was charged with operating under the influence, careless and reckless driving, using a handheld phone, and traveling on marked lanes. These offenses could result in fines, license points, and possible suspension. Many people commented on this circumstance and the girl's reaction in the published video. Drunk drivers need to stop saying they aren't a criminal. You broke the law, you are a criminal. DUI should be a criminal charge. This traffic violation crap is ridiculous. Love how drunks under arrest for DUI always say, "Why are you treating me like a criminal?" Lady, you are a criminal. This case illustrates the serious consequences of driving while impaired. Let's move on to the next case.
Let me adjust your handcuffs so it won't be a liar. You're a racist.
Officers responded to a complaint of a lady who had just been evicted from the home returning and hammering on the door about an hour after being released from county jail on July 29th, 2023.
Hi, I'm Officer McDonald.
10-4, ma'am.
What's going on tonight?
The 53s and the property damage are all related to merchant.
Alright, do you stay here?
Why are you here?
We got a call, so we're
Who
responding.
did you get a call from? Who did you get a call from?
I'm
Who did
guessing.
you get a call from?
Are you gonna let me talk?
Nobody, stop harassing me. Nobody called you. You can get off my property. Nobody called you. Nobody called you here.
Okay.
Why are you knocking on my door? You can leave my house.
What's your name?
Leave my house.
What's your name?
Nobody called you. Leave my house.
What's your name? So
Leave my house.
it would help us if you told us your name, then we possibly could leave, but
Hi, Officer McDonald. What's going on today? Hold on. No. No. You're not. That's gonna happen as soon as you try to go inside.
You just tried to go inside. I just got here. Nobody called you here.
Okay,
I just got here.
You need to calm your voice down, all right?
Leave my no. Who called you? Leave my house. Who called you?
The person inside called us.
No, they did not. You're lying. You're lying. I just got here.
Since the woman had zero intentions of calming down, fearing the threat of further escalation, officers had no choice but to place her under arrest.
Ma'am, don't put your hands on your back for me.
Do not touch me. Do not touch me. I just got here. No, you're not. Do not touch me.
You're being detained.
No, the fuck. No, y'all are not gonna keep harassing me. Get away from me. I just got here. I have not even been here 30 minutes. Leave me alone and get away from me. Stop harassing me. What you say your name was again?
Officer Coleman.
And you are?
Officer McDonald. Ma'am, please step back.
Leave me alone and leave my
Put your
house.
hands behind your
No,
back.
I'm not being detained. You are on my. I literally just got here. I literally just got here.
You are being detained.
No, I literally just got here. Y'all have been following me everywhere I go. Yes, you have.
You need to slow
Yes,
that
you
voice.
have.
You
No,
need to
you have
lower
been
your
following me and
voice.
harassing me. Y'all are not gonna keep illegally doing. You see these bruises on my arms?
back,
You're not.
ma'am.
You need to step back and leave my house. I did not call you. Nobody in that house called you. Do not touch me. Do not touch me.
I'm asking you one more time, put your hands behind your back.
What am I being detained for?
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Ma'am, I would like... Walk.
While being escorted to the police car, the woman continuously resisted and shouted insults at the officers.
Do not grab. Do not grab.
This is cutting into my arm.
I will adjust it when we get to the car. Now walk. Walk.
You are
Stop
pressing
grabbing
that into
me
the
and
bone
walk.
of my arm. I'm not touching you.
Hey.
Get off of me. Get off of me. I'm tired of y'all abusing me. Y'all just did this to me 2 days ago. I got bruises all. Look, he's bending my arm back. Get off of my hair. Stop pulling my hair. Get off. Stop bending my arm back.
Walk.
Get off of me.
Walk.
Just walk.
It's
I
not
will
no
adjust.
just walk.
I will adjust
Stop
your handcuffs
being
when we get to the car.
You bending my shoulder blades.
Keep walking.
Get off of my
Keep
shoulder.
walking.
Every time I move, you press harder.
I'm
you
not pressing.
Get the off of my arm.
Now keep walking.
Yes, he is. It don't take two of y'all. Tell him to let me go. You can escort me and pull me to the car. Tell him to get off me. He is pushing into my shoulder on purpose to cause me pain.
Walking.
Y'all already put bruises on my body.
Walking.
He's pushing into my arm.
Okay.
Get off of me.
I'm going to adjust your handcuffs. Okay?
Don't leave it. Leave it where it's at. Leave it where it's at. Just leave it where it's at and get off of me.
Stop pulling away.
Leave it where it's at and get off of me.
Stop pulling away from me.
I
I'm
don't
trying
need
to
you
adjust them.
Get off of me. Get off of me.
I am trying to
I don't.
adjust them.
It's just fine. Leave it. Don't touch me. Get off of me.
Ma'am,
Get your hands off of me.
I have a job to do.
No,
and
you don't. Your job is harassing me.
Ma'am, stop.
You twisting that
Yes,
cuff
I
into
am
my
twisting
arm
that
tighter.
cuff. Now stop and place your face against
Get
that.
off of me.
Do not push me. Do not push me. Let go of the handcuff so I can adjust it now.
Get off me.
Let go of the
Leave it where
handcuff
it's at.
so I can adjust it.
All you gonna do is make it tighter.
No, I'm not.
Stop. Look at how you manhandling me. Y'all is harassing me.
He's trying to adjust your hand.
Get off of me.
Let me adjust your handcuffs so it won't be.
You liar. You're a racist liar.
No.
He's twisting it into my arm on purpose. You're not doing this for me. You're racist as and I know who you is.
Have a seat. Swing your legs in.
Can you push me into the car? Not you. Don't touch me. Can you push me into the back of the car, please? Like, you gotta stand in front. I can't get in the back. Like, grab both my arms in the front. Like, lift me or something like I'm a kid. That's what I'm saying.
Go ahead and strap her in.
One of the officers returned to the victim's house to gather more information about the incident.
So what's going on today?
Well, the person you just put in the back of your car,
she was she's in the process of being evicted. And Monday, she was arrested for assaulting me. And she was told that she was not allowed to come back here because of her violent history, her violent nature towards myself, my mother, and everyone sitting in this room.
Is that like the bond conditions?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have a copy of that by chance?
Actually, I don't, because they just let her out, and she just came, because she don't let us see all of this. But a captain had called me. I forgot her name. It was Captain
Smolloyd?
It was a woman.
Black woman?
I think she was white. Because she was saying that they were going to release her, but they didn't have any place for her to go. And she called me to see. Yeah, I might still have the voicemail.
Okay.
But she called me to see if I had any suggestions on where she could go. And I told her I didn't, because she's not allowed to come back here.
Did she used to stay like on
Holland Drive?
Yeah, because she did.
See, everybody know her. See, everybody. And so she just came back here today, banging on the doors. She was constantly ringing the doorbell. While I was on the phone with 911, the operator heard her banging, banging, banging. Then she went around to the side of the house. She tried to open the window to the bathroom, and that's when I called back and I said, she's trying to break in this house. So that's when you guys came, and she's putting on her show again.
Yeah. What I'll probably end up doing is I'll call the county jail.
Hold on, please.
I'll call the county jail because they should have a copy of the bond conditions, and they'll be able to tell me exactly what it was. It's okay. I'm going to give the jail a call, and they should have a copy of the bond conditions to read out to me. And then I'll knock on your door again.
The officer explained the charges she would face and prepared to take her to the station for processing.
So, here's the thing.
Right, no, just answer the question.
You're being arrested for disorderly conduct.
How am I being arrested for this? Y'all just drove up here. You didn't hear a sound before y'all came here. You drove up to the street and just walked up on my property and told me that you ain't even say nothing. You just asked what's going on here tonight.
Yeah, because we had a call for search.
You never had stop lying and saying that. You never had you had a call for what?
You're being arrested for disorderly conduct and obstruction by hindering law enforcement, okay?
How did I hinder you're a liar.
We're not going to argue over this, okay? You roll the window back up.
First of all, am I being detained or arrested?
You're under arrest.
How am I under arrest for disorderly conduct?
That'll be explained in the report.
No, I don't have a report. How am I being arrested for disorderly conduct?
Ma'am, that'll be documented in the report.
3714, plus truck.
All right, well, you need to take me where I'm going.
I have to wait for my other officer.
You don't file a report on the scene and then take it down somewhere else. That person that came to that door is not supposed to be in my house. That is not her house. She does not live there. What time did you get your call?
Did I get the call? 2117.
Are you still en route to the 15 to Law Street?
Roughly an hour ago.
What time is 21? That's military time. What's 21?
9:17.
I didn't get here until after that. If you don't believe me, I made a note of it. I didn't get here until after that.
Dispatcher 4701.
So, this is going to be the case report number for this incident tonight. I called the jail. For some reason, they don't have any bond conditions listed. But she's still being arrested tonight. We're arresting her because of how she was acting on the porch right there. So we're arresting her for disorderly conduct and obstruction by hindering. But at least for right now, she'll be in jail for the night. Well, actually, she should be in jail possibly till Monday. We'll see.
Oh God! Then we're gonna have to go through all this again.
I need to get out of this car. I don't feel safe with you. You bent my shoulder back. I told you these cuffs was cutting into my arm. You pressed it in there tighter. You're physically abusing me. Take me where you gotta take me. I've been violated all in the same week. Y'all trying to steal my house. Like, just take me where you gotta take me. I know y'all not cops. Just take me back to Race County where you had me before. Take me back.
The woman was charged with obstruction and disorderly conduct after refusing to cooperate with officers and causing a public disturbance. These offenses may result in fines, probation, or jail time depending on the court's decision. This is indeed a chaotic situation, isn't it? Let's examine what viewers have commented on after the video was circulated. If you get arrested right after being released, then you clearly aren't serving enough time. Nobody called you. She really tried the old Jedi mind trick. She had that jail bag with her. The lesson from this incident is the importance of staying calm and cooperative with law enforcement. Join us again in our next video and be sure to hit subscribe to Urban Law and turn on those notifications for more crime content.